how to make thumbnail in Canva. So first go to Canva and then just click on the search bar here at the top and then search for thumbnail. Then once you've done that, just select any of the templates here that you want to use. So let's say I want to use this one, just click on it, then click on customize this template. Okay, now from here, and so let's say I just want to customize this one instead of this one. I'll just use a man. Just type in man here under elements and then click on photos, then choose any of the pictures here. So let's say I want to choose this one, then just drag it here and drop it. You can customize the size if you want. So let's say I'm satisfied with this, so you can just click on share here at the top and then click on download and then just click on download again. Then let's just wait for it to download, and there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.